Hi everyone, I'm Laura.
And I'm Zal. Welcome to North Tustin News, where we cover the coolest things happening on campus.
This week, we're turning up the volume and flipping some pages, literally.
Let's start with something that always gets the crowd moving. Here's why with the behind-the-scenes look at our very own School of Rock.
Thank you, Zion. If you've been to any of our school events, you've probably seen the School of Rock in action. It's an awesome way for kids to perform, play instruments, and build their confidence on stage. We practice all year and get to show what we've learned at school and community events. It's one of the most exciting ways to be creative and have fun with music. I'm here with Dr. Van Wy, our music and School of Rock teacher. Dr. Van Wy, why do you think learning music in a rock context is important?
So many reasons. First of all, you get to learn individual musical skills like playing an instrument. Even if you're someone who's a beginner, we cultivate your basic musical skills to get to an intermediate advanced level. So that's personal musicianship. Secondly, you learn teamwork, which is so important, building collaboration. Along the way, you have a fun time learning with each other and playing some rock and music, and School of Rock rocks.
With every performance, we turn up the volume on confidence and creativity. Back to you, Zion.
Thanks, Wyatt. Laura, that story really struck a chord with me.
Nice one, Zion. Now let's go from rocking out to reading up. Narayani has a story on Battle of the Books where students show off their reading skills and compete for the title.
Thanks, Laura. What do you get when you mix reading, teamwork, and a little bit of friendly competition? Battle of the Books. It's a program that challenges students to read 18 books and then go head-to-head in a quiz-style showdown. Let's check it out.
I joined Battle of the Books because I really like reading. It's a group of people who read 18 books till March, and then we go to St. John's to go compete about questions on the books.
The last Battle of the Books was really exciting because we started with probably about 24 kids, and then we had to narrow it down to 10 kids plus 2 alternates, and then we traveled to another elementary school where they battled against, I think it was about 12 other schools.
I just really like reading books, and they're really interesting.
From rocking out on stage to diving into books, this week showed us just how creative and passionate North Tustin students really are.
Thanks for watching North Tustin News. And hey, if you're looking for a good story, we've got music, books, and everything in between.
See you next time.
Bye.